Good morning, Sleepy. How's everybody doing today? Once again, Zulu is curled up in the chair with me. How can we tell it's Zulu? Well, right here. And the little white stripe that goes up her forehead. Basenji does not have that little white line there, so if you've only got this view of Zulu, you can tell it's her by that. Oh, are you all snuggly this morning? Yeah. It's funny, every morning this kid just comes and curls up with me here. And then it's time for coffee with a Basenji. Whoa, she's like, is that for me? No. Right, girly? Oh, that's good. Well, I hope you guys are having a great day today. We're just getting ours started here. And we're gonna have us a good day today, aren't we, Zulu? Of course, Zinja is over here. Let me just whip the camera over here and show your brother. Is that okay? There he is. Zinja Ray, say hi. Oh, look at that face. Oh. So anyway, hoping you guys have a great day today. Just wanted to pop in real quick and say good morning to those of you on the East Coast. And, well, I guess it doesn't make sense to say good morning because I don't know when you're watching this. It could be the middle of your day. It could be the middle of your night. We are a global community after all, so I'll say good day. How about that? Boop. Gotta boop the nose. Right, girly? All right, folks. Have a good day. And we'll see you in the next video. Right, Zulu? Right? I see you.